Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Nintendo Switch is freezing while playing the game. So if you're having an issue with Nintendo Switch whenever you're trying to play any game, for example Asphalt, Inside, or even Cooking Tycoon, or whatever the game it is, whenever you're trying to play the game, you're having a freezing issue, and how we can fix this up. The first one, when you're having the freezing issue, all we have to do is we just need to depend on the home button over here. That is what you have to do. So whenever the game is being played, for example the Asphalt is being played in the background, so when you're trying to play and it freezes all up, there is no anything unless and until you can press very easily the home button, which will take you to the same, and you have to try and check whether the issue is solved or not. Or you can, after getting to the home button, you can even do a simple normal restart and check whether the issue is solved or not. But after trying with this, if the issue is still there, the next one is all about you have to do a hard reset on your Nintendo Switch. For to do this, we just need to press the power button over here for actually the complete 12 seconds. When you press and hold the power button for 12 seconds, it will be like a hard reset. After the hard reset, you have to turn over Nintendo Switch. Wait for take a short period of time, then press the power button over there and get it back to the Nintendo Switch. Once again, turn it on and see whether the freezing issue is solved or not. Most probably, when you do a hard reset, or you don't know what to do when you're stuck in a game when it comes to Nintendo Switch freezing, you can try using the the home button, and that is what you have to do. I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.